So I really don't have any clue what I'm doing at all. And there's like, oh, here's a gopher hole. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I remember. Just crazy stuff like this. So Northfield actually rocks. Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. This is obviously not a very popular place, although it might look like it from this video. This is a place I have not been to in a life age, so I really have no idea what to expect at all, other than I remember this building when I came out on the trail. Yeah, see, right back there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back to the car. So I think this is the beginning of the trail, but I'm really not sure. There's Singletrack right there. Okay. There's supposed to be two trails here, and you're supposed to jump and land on back there over there. Absolutely. But I'm here because there were some little jumps here, and I want to see if I can get back over to those. This is quaint. I'm hoping to make it over to Shattuck as well today. They had like unsignage here. Okay, so now I'm behind the building. I think this is our first trail right here. So that's the big building that I was up at. So I'm gonna go do this. It does not tell me which way is which. Oh, there's an infinity amount of trails in here. I really no clue. There's just an infinity amount of trails in here. This is a remembrance of the haunted forest. That's actually pretty cool. But no, there's a trail that goes around it. Oh yeah, and up and over it. So now I'm up. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope this is a legit trail. There are no signs. So I'm 1 week from, holy crap. Okay. Yeah, see, this is what I remember. This is the awesome stuff that I remember. Where was I? What was my thought process? I'm 1 week from, well, they have trails. See, they have no trail signs. They're like trail signs, but they're not trail signs. You know, there's nothing on them at all. So I really don't have any clue what I'm doing at all. And there's like, oh, here's a gopher hole. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I remember. Just crazy stuff like this. So Northfield actually rocks right now, but I think we go back to normal here for a little while. And there's like a bunch of stuff in there that I didn't do, but I'm okay with that. 10,000 years have passed since I was on these trails. They were like really run down too, but I'm thinking somebody's like, well, except for that part back there, which I don't think I'm going to do that again. Yeah, this is the meandering creekside trail. Yes, I am already at the jumps. So emergency jumps, I think. I don't know if they're still there. This was me winging it, but I was in the area, so what the heck. Yep. Okay. So that was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. Okay. And this is a little more trimmed out. Oh yeah. I see dirt jumps. And these things you can run over and over and over again. You don't have to continue on the trail. Yeah, they're still here. Will there be tabletops? What? I don't have no idea what to expect here. It kind of looks like the same that it was before. Yep, it's exactly the same as it was before. So I got a table right here and a table right here. And I don't have to do that thing. These are the tables. Gosh darn it, all my spectators today are facing the wrong direction. I'm gonna go for small roll, big and big. So I'm gonna go for. Oh, that was easy. Easy peasy. Greasy measy. Still a loose though. This one's gonna be a bit of a challenge. So what the heck did I do? I did this one right here. There's actually 4 jumps here at the start. Okay, here we go. For the clear. 1 to the clear. I think I got it that time. I'm gonna try it again in the center. I'm gonna test this feature out here. It's like this berm feature that you have to do. Well, that's not bad. I wanted to test it just because I wanted to see what it was like. There's a lot of different lines you could do here. I'm going for the far right one and into the janky berm. Oh, that'll throw you. I like it. That was pretty sweet. I'm gonna go down the paved path. Before I do that, I want to do one of these drops, but they're so overgrown. It's like, this one I think you can roll. Watch me mess it up. No, you can roll that one. All right, let's go down the thing a little ways. Let's see if thing comes a thing. Oh, perfect. It actually comes out right here. This is where the trail comes out. Sweet. Well, I'm going to do the whole trail then. This is where it comes out right here. Cannon River Off-Road Cyclists and Trail. I'm not really sure. Is it a two-way? Doesn't really say. It looks like this is a one-way going this way. So here we go, back into Singletrack. I'm going to do this really slowly because I get to try this trail backwards and forwards now because I did it last time. I did it the other way. But I don't know then if it was how, then the now is wow. Creek crossing. That's okay. So that's potatoes. You can go back to the thing there. Paved path. Okay, so here is the bridge that was. Wow. That was out, I think, last time I came through here. So somebody's maintaining this. Thank you. Eyelet. Paul Bunyan's eyelet. That's a pretty big one. A few features thrown in for wow. It's almost old school right here. Wow. Purebred. Hello. I do not know if I'm going the right way, the wrong way.
I know. We don't know what we're doing.
I don't know. I'm just having fun. I hope you are too. So it's a nice trail system. Oh. That was the one that I think was out last time. Oh, we're gonna come out at the dirt jumps. So we're pretty much done now. Well, that was Northfield. I don't know if I'll be able to find the trail. I'm going to try. But interesting thing about it is, I think you can drive through this park rather than go. I'm debating on if I want to even go to Faribault because I don't have that much battery. If I'll just go hit jumps. This is the other trail. It's supposed to be a blue trail. So I'm going to check this out real quickly. And this is St. Olaf property. And yeah, there's like Singletrack going that way. I might have to come back. Wow. No, this is a legit trail. Look at this. This is a brand new trail for me today. Pretty sweet, actually. So there's obviously more to the beginning of this. I took the easy route. It needs to be trimmed a little bit, but I'm not going to complain. Wow! I don't know what to expect because it's a little overgrown. But this is a worthy trail. I'm going to come back to this and explore it some more. Don't want to save my battery, but I'm going to ride this just to see what I... So it'll be probably a part 2 to Northfield.